Hello and welcome to my non-technical presentation of the class project phase 4 of the Sun Devil Connect system. Getting into it, we will start with the problem. Start by asking what's actually broken. Students told us that they have no idea what clubs exist unless someone tells them. Club leaders are running their organizations out of group chats and spreadsheets, and campus administrators are handling club approvals through email with no way to track everything. These aren't hypothetical problems. They're the day-to-day reality for anyone involved in campus organizations. It's a real issue even now. Getting people to be aligned on an idea or event. People can be everywhere and things can get messy, which is why we wanted to create a centralized platform where ASU students and staff can all collectively be in one place and access this data and other information that other people create. Then we'll meet the users. We created 3 users for one platform. We had the students, the club leader, and administrator. The student wants to get involved. They want to find clubs that match their interests and register events without having to dig around for information. The club leader wants to grow the club. Right now, they spend more time on admin tasks than actually running a club. They want to be able to petition and manage the club, approve and reject joint requests, make announcements to other members, and even create club events for students to be updated on and register for. And then the administrator needs oversight. They want a structured system instead of approval emails scattered across their inbox. They'll be able to review and approve new clubs, monitor all platform activity, manage flagged or reported content, and delete clubs that violate policy through the report feature that we have. And as you can see, even though we have one platform, we have a lot of different needs for the different kinds of users that we have. Then next we'll get into the student experience. For a student, the journey has 5 steps. They browse all approved clubs and can search by interests. And then they can click join club and request to go straight to the leader. This way everything's on the website and there's no other outside resources needed. And once they're able to join a club, they can read announcements posted directly on the club page to stay updated with new information. And then they should also be able to browse and register for events that they see on the site. They'll be able to see any relevant information, such as the category, if they have to pay to be an attendee, the date, and the popularity. And then when they do register for an event, they will be shown that they are registered and be able to see the other students or how many other students are attending to know the popularity of it, to know what they're getting into. For the club leader, the Sun Devil Connect handles the operational side. They're able to petition a new club and are automatically joined as a leader the moment they submit. They see pending join requests and can approve or reject them directly on the club page for incoming users. They're able to post announcements and write posts visible for everyone to see on their club's page. It keeps members informed about meetings, updates, and news, or just any other relevant update that's important for the club. And finally, the leaders are able to create events with any relevant information right from the club page, and also see who's registered on their page and keep account and tally for the attendees. And next, we'll get into the admin experience. The admin has a single dashboard with 3 tabs. The pending tab shows how every new club petition waits for a review. The admin is able to see the name, the category, and the mission for the club, and is able to approve or reject in one click. Approved club members are on the student page. Approved club members appear on the student page instantly, and all clubs have a full table of every club on the platform with color-coded status badges plus summary stats on top. And they're also able to see the flags tab. This is where they'll be able to see the content moderation, and any user can flag inappropriate content. There, the admin is able to review that content and is able to either approve and remove the content or dismiss them. This keeps the platform safe and accountable for any incoming content. And then we have our feature highlights of the site. Makes it stand out from the others. We have a smart event discovery. Users are able to search through events by location description and able to use multiple filters to find their needs. We also have secure role-based access, so users know that their information is private and secure, and no unauthorized access is allowed across the system. And leaders are able to have full oversight of the system and control what is posted, such as the content and the clubs, while students aren't able to. So we have different views of the site. And then finally, we have the end-to-end club management. We have the workflow for people to create clubs or even have it rejected with or without the with the admin's approval. Leader approves and rejects join requests from other students in the app and are able to make post announcements that are available for all visitors and able to make events on the club page. So everything is seamless and quick. Here's some of our workflow of how we did the demonstration in the last phase. You're able to log in as an admin and you're able to see all the clubs in one page. And there's also an admin tab where they're able to overview any content that is submitted. If you look to log in as a leader, you can petition for a new club and it'll show up in the admin tab where they can either when they approve it, it'll show for all students. And then when the leader creates an event, students are able to join that event and it'll be signed to that club so they know who created it. And when you log in as a student, as you mentioned, you're able to register events or join clubs that are interesting to you. And here's our impact and value. In numbers, we have 3 user roles, 10 pages, and workflows. For students, this becomes a one place to find every club and event on campus. They're able to filter, join, and register in seconds. There's no more searching through emails or bulletin boards on campus site. For club leaders, they're able to have a complete management dashboard, spend less time on admin work, and more time building a great club community. And for administrators, have full visibility on every club in the platform, uh, allowing for a structured approval workflow that replaces chaotic email chains that we often see. Many modern bigger organizations have an issue with. And thank you for coming to my presentation.